This is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the STX black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera with mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we got a black hood deflector with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, some gray and yellow accents, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpet interior. We have cup holders and storage, USB-Cs, rear vents, and a lovely split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a manual driver's seat and passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Auto stop, auto start, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 32 kilometers. We do got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle view screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got tons of storage here. You got your cup holders, more storage underneath, more storage here with some outlets, your center console, which is vinyl wrapped, tons of storage underneath as well. Rear locking diff, drive modes, and four-wheel drive. Nice little coin slot here. We got our climate controls right here with a heated rear window, 12-volt, and 2 USB-Cs. Storage above, below, and on the dash. Looking here, we do get our hazards and traction control with a nice backup camera. Continue our look, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, our fave apps, messaging, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF62068, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.